Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Convert the following 12 liter 49 milliliter to dash milliliter. So we know 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Therefore, 12 liters is equal to 12,000 milliliters. Now we are given 12 liters 49 milliliters, which can be written as 12 liters plus 49 milliliters. Now we can write 12 liter in milliliter as 12,000 milliliter plus 49 milliliter. So the sum will be 12,049 milliliter. So 12 liter 49 milliliter converted to milliliters will be 12,049 milliliters. This is the answer.